All right, welcome back to Crypto and Craft Beer. Today we're going to be talking about every altcoin that pretty much is available. Some of the big boys, Quant, ICP, of course Ethereum, everybody, all altcoins, pretty much every altcoin has been pretty much down 50% from its highs, some 60, some 70. We know how this goes, but listen, I'm going to show you something right now with Bitcoin. In May, since May 19th, we had that drop. And that drop took about 35 days to finally bottom out and just wick that nasty wick to the bottom. Now, because of consolidation that I saw before, which is here, this is back in May, and I did a time frame illustration here to show you how long we can consolidate. So right now we have 62 days worth of consolidation. So this is from the bottom of May 19th all the way until July 20th before we start to see rapid movement to the upside. So now we're going to go ahead and trap out what we're going to go ahead and map out what we're looking at here. So this is pretty much the same thing happening over. I mean, a little bit more aggressive to the downside. We didn't have a fake pump up to get that last pump. This one just more aggressive to the downside. And this one just destroyed altcoins. I will say that. Now, what I'm going to say is, look, we have to kind of look at the past to see where the future will be. And I'm not saying anything about crypto winners, bear markets. I don't know nothing about that. I'm fully invested. I didn't sell shit. I'm down 50%, 30% on certain shit, but I'm actually pretty good because I didn't buy at all-time highs. I bought at 50% negative, and this shit's still coming down 30%, 40%. So I'm not in a bad position at all. What I'm gonna do is, because I knew this fake pump was coming, I feel it's gonna be something like this. This is where we're at right now. Right here or right here. We're gonna get a nice pump to get everybody back bullish. Okay, we're going on a run. You know, this wasn't nothing. But I think this is gonna play out a little bit longer than what we were expecting. This one was 62 days, pretty much 2 months. Also, you gotta add the 35 days worth pretty much from the all-time highs coming all the way down to 29,000. You gotta add that too. So now you're looking at 96 days or so, somewhat. So now we're only 25. Let me go ahead and pull it up for you. Date range. All right, so look, we have 13 bars. Well, it doesn't end there. All right, look. So essentially, we're not even through with this. I mean, we're gonna get a lot of fake pumps to get everybody bullish again, and what's gonna happen is they're gonna get wiped out by Bitcoin coming back down to test these lows again, and that's what's gonna happen here. Right now, you obviously seen we got pushed down to 42,000, crush altcoins. Now trading sideways from Bitcoin, going up, coming down, just crushes altcoins, because when altcoins go up, I mean, when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins do not. It seems like some of them will. Some of the big boys, some of the really good projects that are starting to shine now, they're going up. AVAX being one of them. I actually panic sold the other day. Instead, I bought Link. But AVAX, we'll probably have something like that with Link in the near future. So look, what I did was Quant. I was able to sell at the peak. I'm just telling you what I did personally. I was able to sell at the peak on, I believe this date. I think I sold at 208. So I was able to get I was able to DCA out because I knew there was a bigger dip coming. And lo and behold, that dip did come. I was able to get a better price DCA, but it was not as good as it could have been. I could have got in at 170. Instead, I was in at 200. So one thing I got to continue to say is be patient. Right now, we're getting this fake pump. If you didn't buy too far from the highs, take this money, wait it out, and be patient. I'm telling you, all it's going to do is Bitcoin's going to go down. This is a nice pump. Look at these candles, huge. People think we're done and out of the water. We're not. So Bitcoin is gonna go down again, and what's gonna end up happening is all your altcoins are gonna get crushed, and then everybody's really gonna panic. Right now, these are flying. I mean, everything's green. They're flying. But like I said, Quant holding strong. Bitcoin, like I said, this is what this video is about. I'm using quant because I'm letting you know what my moves are, how I'm getting out and just pretty much planning to buy lower. It may not go lower, but that's a good thing for my prices that I bought in, a little bit higher. So like, subscribe, and share. We're in for a little turbulation, and you guys need to keep the faith. If you can find some money, buy this dip. I'm telling you to buy this dip. A lot of people have paper handed out. I get it. People are scared of crypto winners and all this goofy shit, but I definitely think we're going to $110,000 Bitcoin at least within 2022, and we might have to stretch it out into 2023 just because everybody is expecting it. You get it? So we're trading sideways. I just want to show you this consolidation and how it was, how May should pretty much show you what's the worst that can happen. You hear me? That it seems like that's what they're going to do again. They're going to bring us to probably 38,000 just to get everybody out, liquidate all the longs. We're at 49,000. Remember that. So we're just climbing. So what you need to do is just make sure you're buying altcoins lower, because they're gonna rock it off by the end of February, May, or June. I don't know how long, but we're gonna rock it off. So this is the accumulation phase. If you're not accumulating, you're pretty much just waiting to buy in at the top. Like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.